Create a daily attendance tracker in Excel fast and easy. To make an attendance tracker like this in Excel, follow these simple steps. Just by changing this value, the percentage recalculates in real time. As the values change, the percentage updates. So let's dive into how to set this up in Excel. To begin, we'll set up a table that organizes attendance by date and month. We'll track attendance from Monday to Friday, then calculate total present days and percentage using zeros and ones. Let's input the values. Now I'll use a run between formula between 0 and 1. Here's what it does. The formula returns a value from 0 to 1, and we'll paste it as values to finalize the output. Let's move ahead. In the total present section, we'll use a formula to calculate how many days are marked present. We'll apply a COUNTIF formula here. Just select the range and set the condition to 1. The formula adds up all the ones. As you can see here, the result is 4. Let's remove this and ignore the error for now. Next, we'll calculate the attendance percentage. To calculate the percentage, we simply divide the value by 5, since there are 5 working days. There are 5 weekdays from Monday to Friday, so we'll calculate attendance based on that. Now just add the percentage symbol to format it properly. Next, select data bars from the conditional formatting menu. From the formatting menu, pick data bars. Let me walk you through the steps. Watch this. Go to conditional formatting, select data bars, and right here you'll see the effect. You can also use green, yellow, or blue to make the data easier to read. Let's select the weekday columns Monday to Friday to apply our changes. Now, go into conditional formatting and set up a custom rule. Let's choose icon sets in the formatting options. From here, you can select the icons you want. Let's go with this icon and set it to show icon only for a cleaner look. Let's change this to a cross symbol and make sure the one below matches. For the greater than rule, type 1 here and 0 in the next field to define the logic. Set the format to number so the values display correctly. Let's change it to 1 again. Click OK and apply. Your formatting will now be active. Since we used ones and zeros, the output will update automatically. Now watch what happens when I change this. I'll set this to 0. As you can see, it shows a cross icon. Now I'll change it to 1, and as soon as I do, just input 0 or 1. If it's 1, that's a present day. If it's 0, it's marked as absent. It's considered absent, so the percentage here adjusts accordingly. That's the process. With this setup, you can generate a complete attendance record. For Excel tips and tricks, visit www.excelautomation.in.